Hi there. Which pile has our messages today? Let's pick this pile. The sun, rise to the occasion. Radiate, let your light shine through. You were born an original, don't die a copy. What makes you laugh? The sun card today. And the animal card today. Be community. You are a powerful creator. Your work blesses everything you touch. Be open to receiving sweetness. You are the queen of abundance. All right. What are our quotes today? Allow people to have their moods and allow those moods to have nothing to do with you. Project Happiness. Start telling the universe what you want instead of what you don't want. Yes, yes. If you want good things to come your way, you need to start believing that you deserve them. Very true. You don't have to always tell your side of the story. Time will. That is true also. Alrighty, last one. To make time fly, throw your watch out the window. Alright, thanks for stopping by. Adios.